Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. This presentation provides an in-depth troubleshooting guide for the DTC P084C, which indicates that the line pressure switch is stuck in the on position in Honda Accord models from 2012 to 2017. The line pressure switch is a critical component of the automatic transmission system, responsible for monitoring the hydraulic pressure. Its proper functioning is essential for ensuring smooth transmission operations, affecting the vehicle's shifting patterns and overall drivability. If this switch remains stuck on, it triggers a fail-safe mode that limits engine torque, impairing the vehicle's performance. Recording all freeze data and any onboard snapshot with the HDS, Honda Diagnostic System, is crucial for initial diagnostics, ensuring that no underlying intermittent issues are missed. This guide will cover the symptoms, possible causes, and detailed step-by-step troubleshooting processes to resolve this DTC effectively. The DTC P084C pinpoints an issue specifically with the line pressure switch, which is designed to monitor the hydraulic pressure within the transmission. This switch is a crucial component that ensures the automatic transmission operates smoothly and efficiently. Located within the transmission assembly, its exact position can vary, but is generally situated in the hydraulic control unit. When this switch is functioning correctly, it sends real-time data about line pressure to the Powertrain Control Module, PCM. If the PCM detects that the switch is stuck on, it results in limiting engine torque to protect the transmission from damage. Understanding the role and location of each component involved is key to successfully troubleshooting the DTC and ensuring the continued operation of the vehicle. Several potential causes may lead to the DTC P084C being triggered. First, the most straightforward cause could be a faulty line pressure switch itself. If this switch becomes defective, it can erroneously signal the PCM that the line pressure is always on. Secondly, wiring issues between the line pressure switch and the PCM can result in incorrect readings or connectivity problems. It's essential to inspect for any short circuits, corrosion, or disconnections in the wiring harness. Additionally, a malfunction within the PCM cannot be ruled out, as it could incorrectly interpret signals from the switch. Identifying these causes is pivotal to ensuring effective resolution of the DTC and restoring normal vehicle function. The presence of the DTC P084C can manifest in several noticeable symptoms during vehicle operation. One of the primary signs is a limitation of engine torque, which is the vehicle's ability to accelerate and maintain speed. This limitation can lead to a noticeable sluggishness during driving, especially when more power is needed. Additionally, the driver may experience transmission performance issues, such as harsh shifting or unusual behavior while changing gears. Another common signal indicating that this DTC is present will often be the illumination of the check engine light on the dashboard, prompting the need for diagnostic investigation. Recognizing these symptoms early can significantly aid in addressing potential issues before they escalate. The first step in troubleshooting the DTC P084C involves verifying the problem. Begin by pressing the engine's start-stop button to select the on mode, ensuring that the vehicle's electronics are active for diagnostic purposes. Following this, it is critical to clear the DTC using the HDS. This tool not only aids in resetting the error codes, but is also instrumental in recording all freeze data and any onboard snapshots for reference. Once cleared, check the parameters associated with the line pressure switch using the HDS, specifically focusing on whether the conditions match the expected thresholds. If the failure condition is duplicated, further investigation is needed. If not, check for par connections or loose terminals between the line pressure switch and the PCM. addressing any intermittent failures that may exist. In the second step of troubleshooting DTC P084C, the objective is to determine the possible failure area concerning the line pressure switch and other components. Start this process by turning the engine off, then disconnect the line pressure switch connector. Once disconnected, turn the engine back on while using the HDS to monitor and check the parameters again. Specifically, look for the condition of the line pressure switch to ensure that it registers as off this time. If it does, it indicates that the switch may need replacement. If it does not show off, you can move on to the next troubleshooting step to isolate further potential issues. The third step involves checking for shielded wires within the OPPLSW line, which connects the line pressure switch and the PCM. Begin by switching the engine off and initializing the HDS to jump the SCS line. Proceed to disconnect the PCM connector B51P to ensure accurate testing. At this point, check for continuity between the designated test points in the circuit while maintaining the engine off mode. It's essential to confirm that the line pressure switch connector is disconnected during this test. The test points are the PCM connector B51P, number 37, brown wire, and a body ground. If continuity exists, it indicates a short to body ground in the OPPLSW wire, necessitating repairs. If no continuity is present, it suggests that the OPPLSW wire is intact and the PCM may need to be replaced. Upon completing the necessary repairs or replacement for the DTC P084C, it's critical to verify that the repairs were effective. Start by rechecking the system for any stored DTCs using the HDS to ensure that P084C is no longer present. Subsequently, confirm normal operation of the vehicle by observing transmission behavior during various driving conditions. Pay sharp attention to the smoothness of gear shifts and the performance of the engine torque. Finally, conducting a test drive is vital to assess the overall functionality and to ensure no residual faults are present. This step solidifies the repairs and provides peace of mind that the issue has been resolved. In conclusion, understanding the DTC P084C's implications and its impact on vehicle performance is vital for any Honda Accord owner. This diagnostic trouble code points to a malfunctioning line pressure switch that, if unresolved, can lead to severe transmission issues and limited engine torque. A thorough, systematic approach to troubleshooting is essential. It requires careful verification of each component involved and possibly the PCM itself. Additionally, implementing regular maintenance checks plays a critical role in preventing such issues from occurring in the first place. By maintaining proactive vehicle care, owners can ensure smooth and reliable transmission operation, ultimately enhancing their driving experience. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time!